So, I bought an SV650. Today, we're going to be trying to mount this headlight on it that I got from Amazon. No idea if it's going to work or not. I might need an extra mounting bracket. We got the headlight bowl out. Wasn't too difficult. Now we're gonna take this off, fit this in somehow. Well, I don't know. Boom. Oh, that's just no. Well guys, the headlight didn't end up fitting. You just need more stuff to mount it, I guess. If you're trying to put an LED headlight on your SV, don't buy one of these, because I'm gonna have to send it back. Nice. I wasn't excited at all. My heart isn't broken right now. I'm not crying. These aren't tears.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, we're back. Took a while for it to get here, but I did order the new headlight. Let's open this bad puppy open.
Looks pretty sweet. I do just want to apologize because that heater is going to be on sporadically throughout the video because it's cold outside. But let's get on to taking this headlight bucket apart. Yeah, just feed those wires through there, big boy.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just take the wires, go through the little dinky hole and the stinky hole.
That one harness that goes through both those holes is connected up to the dash under there. And then there's no way to unplug it that I can see. So we're just gonna take this windscreen off and hopefully we can unplug it from underneath the dash. There you go. Now we just reverse the process with this bad boy.
Yeah, there you go. Some wires out.
Those are for ground and then both the indicators, I think.
Okay, and all this other junk was just shoved in there.
It was just shoved in, yeah. Alright, so that's on. Now we gotta figure out how all these wires are gonna be going. It's freezing in here.
Yeah.
Turn this bad boy on. So our plan is literally just to shove all these wires into the existing hole in here. A little update along the way. I don't know why we thought it would just be plug and play, but there's the indicator and daytime running light that we need to hook up. Indicator just wired in, spliced in there. Daytime running, we're gonna do up the low beam. Just have that one spliced in. That's what we're doing. Alrighty. So we have the daytime running lights, so these ones, hardwired in. This is the right signal. This is the left signal. We're just gonna plug it all in, shove it all in that hole, and bolt her up. Alright, so we're done. Time to see if it works. You wanna do the honors, Will? Now, wouldn't you say that looks mint? Way nicer than the stock bulb, which is this, as you guys saw earlier in the video.
I'm very happy.
Oh man, yeah, she looks so good. We managed to bend this stock mounting bracket to fit it, so it's aligned pretty good. Hopefully, we think. Yeah, it's a very nice looking light. And for the money, it's probably the nicest one you can get for this bike. We'll have it linked in the description which one we used. But yeah, now she fits good. I would recommend getting these bad boys if you're gonna do it yourself. They're just self-soldering connectors. Get some of those, get some wire, and you'll be on your way. Anyway, goodbye. Yeah.